Hey everybody, this is Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and this is our POV of the Zephyr 2024. Now, if you're familiar, they kind of changed the Zephyr this year because of Iron Menace. So this is the new up-to-date Zephyr for you to enjoy. So that takes you to the new steel yard section of Dorney Park. One great thing about this original train here at Dorney Park is the fact that it goes through the history of the park. Now, this is where Monster was last year. It's no longer there. They now turned it into a seating area, but you can tell that they actually themed everything very nicely. Now, this side here is the entrance, so we won't be showing this side throughout the ride. But here is some pictures of the water scooter. And right in front of us is Possessed, the Intamin impulse coaster that was at one time at Geauga Lake. Now, the reason for the update of this POV is simple. They redid the entire section down here, and this ride should give you amazing views of the newest attraction, Iron Menace, which is their B&M dive coaster. We are literally in a narrow lane between Possessed and the main entrance road. But there is Iron Menace. There's the Sky Ride, which I'm glad I don't have to do. Here is the station for Iron Menace. And this is the slanted loop. Ride seems to be taking a lot longer. I wonder if it's because they can only go a certain speed now. But there's some great views of Iron Menace. On this side of the park. It looks like right there is the border of the park. And here's another view of Iron Menace from back here. In front of us, there goes Iron Menace going up the hill. And there's a good shot of the slanted loop. The building in front of us is actually one of their most popular haunt buildings, and also the flyers are going right now called Empty Buckets. There's another vintage sign, and a lot of geese. Look at all the babies. And now it's time for the scenic part of Dorney Park. There's another angle of Iron Menace's station and Empty Buckets. Looks like the geese know where to go, not to be bothered by humans. We're all on this stretch here before you get to the next bridge. It is a louder ride than I remember last year. There's the 100-year-old Thunderhawk and the road rally. Or the original name, Coaster. Another great view of the brand new steel yard. Probably one of the prettiest bridges going over a park I've seen in a long time. Another sign for the rockets, journey to the center of the earth. And right there is the entrance to Thunderhawk as it celebrates 100 years.
Now approaching to our station, please remain seated until the train comes to a full completion, and then we will be coming by to open your car door. Please gather all your belongings and wash your hands and hands when exiting the train.
And there is the station for the Zephyr, so we are almost done with this POV in 2024 of the Zephyr. If you like what you watched, definitely make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you again for watching our POV of the Zephyr at Dorney Park.